días de la semana en inglés. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Monday, 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 Monday. Tuesday, 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 Tuesday. Wednesday, 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 Wednesday. Thursday, 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 Thursday. Friday, 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 Friday. Saturday, 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 Saturday. Sunday, 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 Sunday. Okay, let's practice again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.